So, welcome back to a village life in France. Hasn't really consisted of much this week. It has been one of those weeks where you batten down the hatches and you stay indoors and wait for the weather advisories. We had snow at the beginning of the week. Not a lot of snow compared to other places in the world, but enough to shut everything down here. And then that also turned to black ice, so that was another couple of days. And that all went away and it all got nice and warm. And then another front came through, a named storm. Goretti? Goretti. And that just wreaked havoc all over Brittany. Mainly on the coast because it comes straight off the Atlantic and comes straight in. England got a whole bunch of snow. We basically got a whole lot of wind and a whole lot of rain, which was fine. We're used to that. That's Brittany weather in general. We can deal with wind and rain. That's absolutely fine. Inches of snow is a new thing, newish thing for us, but yeah, wind and rain, we're fine. Brittany's weather is mild. It's never really too cold. It's never really too hot because we're a sort of a peninsula that sticks out into the Atlantic Ocean type thing. All the weather comes off of it. It comes through. You get 2 days of whatever the weather is, and then it'll change. It'll be something else. You never get the same thing for 3 days in a row, generally speaking. So yeah, we've had to deal with the weather, which has kept us indoors. And so Deborah's ordered some pieces for the wardrobe so she can keep organised from a renowned Swedish furniture company, of which there is one here in Brittany, in Rennes. So they're now here, which is, should we say, finally here is better. She ordered them so that I wouldn't have to drive there, which is fine. It makes it easy. It seemed to make sense. But it was delayed by 2 days because of the snow, which we understand. The government advisory was that trucks off the road, school buses off the road, just for their own safety, for everybody else's safety. It's fine. We understand that. Not a problem whatsoever. Come Thursday, finally, she gets a message to say IKEA is delivering the order. Cool. Not a problem. The order comes via la post. Pas de problème. It's here. Open the packages. She said, you need to open and make sure. I need to open them and make sure. I have complete trust in the system. The system works. The whole order is not there. It's missing. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it could be 2 boxes, could be 1 box. Nobody knows. So you go into contingency plans now. What do we do now? So we've planned a trip to IKEA because no matter how good you think your French is, and it may be, it's hardly ever always good enough to make that customer service phone call with a 20-something French person. It's just not good enough. It just is a horrible thing to have to do. I didn't have to do it. I had to listen. Just no love whatsoever. But then today, Saturday, we get a message to say it's coming today via la post. Okay, cool, whatever. And there it turns up, the order's complete. So the moral of the story, I guess, is trust the system and see what happens. But who knows? So yeah, You may be able to pass the test for the citizenship. I think the real test is, can you make a customer service phone call and be understood? It's joys of living in a village in France. So, that's it. It's been a very quiet week. It's been a very weather watch week. Now the rest of this is going to be me putting together kit set furniture, flat pack furniture. It's not too much, thank Christ. Can't be too bad. So enjoy your weekend, and I have all the tools I need. Should be good. And there is Deborah organised. It wasn't too bad. No screws, just a hammer. A little bit of damage from the from being delivered. I mean, what do you want? That happens. So put that rack on the bottom. I guess the next thing you'll see is Deborah putting her clothes in it or whatever. Cool. Right. Back to normal life. There we go. Not fully organised. In. And yeah, I didn't think it was going to do that, but it actually fits. When she tells me she measured it twice, I think she measured it twice. Good stuff.